The U.S. will take over the Gaza Strip, and we will do a job. This was not a decision made lightly. Everybody I've spoken to loves the idea of the United States owning that piece of land. I don't want to be cute. I don't want to be a wise guy. So magnificent.
He has a different idea. And I think it's worth paying attention to this. We're talking about it. He's exploring it with his people, with his staff. I think it's something that could change